Crawl spaces tend to be areas that homeowners just never go into, and once the issue arises, whether it's a mold issue or a leveling issue or a settlement issue or cracks in the wall itself, it tends to be too late, but it can be controlled, and that's what we do with crawl space encapsulation. Crawl space encapsulation from KC Pier's perspective is controlling the environment to promote a healthier environment in the crawl space itself. So it involves multiple steps. It's creating a vapor barrier, it's adding potentially dehumidifiers, sump pumps, monitoring tools, depending on the extent of the issue and what you're trying to accomplish, that we can control that environment and take what is a damp, musty, humid area of your home that doesn't breathe very well and just turn that on itself. So it becomes breathable, it becomes less humid, it becomes less damp, and ultimately healthier. And that's what crawl space encapsulation can do. And here at KC Pier, we don't just throw one type of crawl space encapsulation to our homeowners. We give them choices on how to build from an a la carte perspective the best encapsulation for your basement. And you don't find that with a lot of companies in Kansas City. They tend to have one, it's a home run solution, and they throw it at you with the home run price. But at KC Pier, we don't necessarily have to do that. We can custom build a solution to work with homeowners to give you a much more affordable solution and still get the extreme advantages of a crawl space encapsulation. And people love the results because it's dark, damp, and musty now, but it changes to a point where it's clean, it's white, it's bright, it's dry, it's less humid. So all solutions are involved. And at KC Pier, we also have technology that allows you to monitor that environment from the app on your phone. And it's called KC Pier ShipShape. And it's easy and it's real time. Plus we also monitor it from the office itself. So give us a call or send a form, fill out the form on our website. We'll come out, we'll get a structural consultant to take a look at your musty, dusty crawl space, and we can flip the script in an affordable way to give you a solution that'll last a lifetime.